Hello pet owners, welcome to the Wisdom Panel Black Friday sale. Get up to $45 off for pet DNA testing kit for your cats and dogs. This is the most accurate pet DNA test with the largest breed database in the world, used by veterinarians. Let's check out some of the prices right here. You got the premium, essential, and complete, and they all offer interest-free payments. These testing kits not only test for your pet's breed and heritage, but also for health tests and other medical complications and traits that can be useful for diagnosing potential health problems that your pet may experience currently or in the future. And you can go to Wisdom Panel to see how it all works. It's pretty simple. And let's go and check out the Wisdom Panel Essential, $99.99. Click to add to bag, and the Black Friday coupon is automatically applied. Once you click to add to bag, it will look like this right here. The promo code is THANK30, $30 off on this particular essential testing kit, and the price is $69.99. This deal is available for a limited time only during the Black Friday holiday. I'll leave the coupon and link down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more upcoming hot deals. Thanks again, and happy shopping.